Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I live in the rainforest on an island in Alaska. And if you can hear that, it is misting like rainforests do. So I'm enjoying the fresh air and the beautiful rainforest behind me. And I am very blessed with 7 grandkids. And I love what I do because I'm able to work from home. And that is so wonderful because I can pick up and go and travel and do whatever I want because I am part of Successful Solution Method. And this business model is, I love everything about it because it is so incredible. It's a task-driven platform, and you do tasks, and the sales and the traffic and all that is something you don't have to worry about or stress about. And that is so perfect for anybody. It's excellent for newbies and anybody that would like to have a second income or a main income. With the way things have gone in this world, we really need a backup income, right? We need something we can count on for our families. And I'm just so thankful. I got another notification. We just launched the end of May, so here it is, still June, and I've already gotten 3 notifications of payments. Now, when does that happen? That is so incredible. And the tasks that you do is simple stuff anybody can do, and we are a team that's really growing and doing well, and I'm so excited because we're all making money, not just a few, but everybody. And this is changing my life. It truly is. And all those grandkids and all the fun I love having with them and the travel, having a home business that you work from home is incredibly relief, comfort, encouraging. Oh, there's my birds. I do love the rainforest, and I just wanted to tell you about the Successful Solution Method because I can't help but share it. It is so exciting for what it's doing with my family and the impact it has on other people. I really love it. So thanks for watching this video. Appreciate your time. Bye from Alaska.